I don't know. How is it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video, and today we are doing the first mods to the new project car of the channel. We have the 2018 Subaru WRX STI on deck for its first mods, and you guys know it's a rally car, so we gotta be doing them mud flaps. It already got the weather guard, so mud flaps are up next. We gotta be installing some sick bright red ones that say Subaru or STI. We're not doing any of that whack shit. We're actually going to be putting on some nice wheels and tires. I like the STI wheels from factory. I think they look good. These have a little bit of some curb damage on them. Came like that, although me and my girl do share this car. She's not stupid, she knows how to drive. Yeah, we're gonna be replacing these with something I think is a lot better than what's on it right now. I am a little nervous. I don't know if I got too big of a tire or too aggressive of an offset. There's only one way to find out. Let me show you guys what we got cooking. All right, guys. Everyone say hi to Mammy. Mammy, say hi to everyone. She's full. She's like camera shy unless she's recording. All right. In these bags, we have the new wheels and tires. You guys can place your bets down below. Did we do some more all carbon Dymags like we got on the McLaren? Probably not, because she's driving this as well. I know I said she can drive, but I don't trust her that much. We went with, drum roll please, boom! Similar wheel and tire setup that I have on the Supra. It's a very iconic look. This is ESR's new wheel lineup, their AP6s. This is their 6-spoke. It is lighter than a Gram Light. It has the knurling on the inside, and it comes in better color combos than Gram Lights. So personally, best bang for your buck wheel on the market right now. Rotary forged wheel. Check out ESR, link in the description down below. We also went with some Falcon tires. Completely took a shot in the dark on the tires. I didn't know what to get. I'm used to getting slicks and stuff like that. I hit up my buddy who had an Evo. I was like, yo, what do I get? He recommended these, so we're gonna try these out. I'm not trying to make big power on it, so it doesn't really matter. I'm sure some Lion Hearts would have been fine, but yes. These are 18 by 9.5 plus 35 with a 265, 35, 18. We're gonna be tossing them on. We're gonna be watching Mammy toss them on. She doesn't know yet, but she's working for free today. So let's go out there, get the car up on jack stands, rip off the old ones, toss these on, pray they fit, and go for a drive. Actually, I almost forgot. There's a little cherry on top. ESR has little spoke stickers for them. So you got the AP6 Performance Wheel Dynamic sticker. It says ESR on it, Forge Tech, their Apex series. I got them in a matte red. I think it'll look good. We're gonna put those on first and then go put the wheels on. Let's do that. All right. So we decided it would probably look best being straight across. I already wiped it down with 90% isopropyl alcohol. Where does it look best? This is kind of scary. Right there. I feel like that's good. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah. Let me rub one out on it real quick. Make sure it's good. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. Hopefully it stays on. I guess that'll be one of the tests as well. Hopefully that should have sticky. It was sticky enough that it was a bitch to get off of this, so I assume it'll be good. But it looks good. I like it. What do you think, Mammy? Does that look good? It looks center. It do look center. I like it. I like the color too, because it's a matte red. It's not like super bright and in your face. So let's do the other ones. All right. I think I rubbed it good enough. This is the Honda exhaust, by the way, right here. So that thing's almost done. Did I do the right spoke? I don't know if I cleaned up the right spoke. Okay, cool. I'm nervous. Okay. God, this is the most stressful part. This is like more stressful than like installing a supercharger. These fucking stickers. Because if they're not right, you're gonna know. Looks pretty good. You know, it's a race car. It doesn't have to be perfect. That shit looks good. I wonder if they'll hold up if I run it through a car wash. Shall we test it? No. I wonder if they'll hold up to curbing. Okay, 2 more. All right, let me show you guys where we're at right now. We're about to mount them up, but I also went ahead and made all of the center caps match, so they're all in line, which will be cool. They all line up. It all looks good. I'm really excited to get these tossed on. I think they look good. I wanted to do something a little bit different. That's why we went ahead and put on their new AP6 stickers. Since we have the same wheels on the Supra, I didn't want it to just be like bland, like throw the same thing on every car. To me, that's a little boring. Change it up a little bit. Went with the bronze. I think the bronze and the Rally Blue will look good. The red sticker should pop. I think it'll be cool, but only one way to find out. Mammy, I hope you're wearing some mechanic clothes because you're gonna start working on the car. I need a jack, a breaker bar, probably a 19mm. Stat, let's go, let's go. All right, Mammy, here's your tool. Get to work. You know how to break them loose? So it's a 19, put it on, and you're gonna push down. Good, now put your back into it. Now push on it. You can step on it too. Hey, atta girl.
Really loose.
All right, well, they're not supposed to be tight. That's good. That CarMax, don't take them off all the way. The car's not in the air yet. Just go around, break them all loose, and then we're gonna lift it up. That's good. CarMax didn't ooga them on, so that's real good. I'm really happy with that. It's 5x114. It's like the best bolt pattern in my opinion because everything fucking shares it. All of my wheels seem to be interchangeable because the Mustang is 5x114, the Supra's 5x114. I don't think the McLaren is, but the Subi is now, so all of my wheels are interchangeable. Let's put the slicks on this bad boy and see what it does. That would be fucking stupid. This one's tight. Put your back into it. Come on. What are you doing? I'm gonna be like a NASCAR right here. Watch. Yeah, that's pretty quick. Oh, fuck. All right, there's the, watch out. Watch the Jordans. Let's see if they're directional outside. All right, cool. Doesn't look like they are. Let's put this bad boy on. Shout out ESR. Guys, if you're looking for wheels, can't beat it. Not for the price. These are tiny lugs. Like super small. And I probably lost a few.
Yeah.
We can probably run like 2 lugs. We don't need all 5. It's weight reduction, right? Okay, the good news is it clears the brakes. As you can see, someone previously put on probably some JNCs and they didn't clear. There's a bunch of scratches and shit, so I gotta get those repainted. Fuck. Get this off. All right, we'll be right back after this break. Okay, all right, I'm joking. All right, one on. It looks pretty good. It might poke out a bit. I'm really nervous. Should we just put it down really quick and just see? I'm really scared. Or now let's do the rears. Fuck, I'm really nervous, guys. If, I mean, I know it's in the air, but, I'm scared. Hopefully they fit. Oh my God, I hate my life. NASCAR.
Andrew.
All right, let's throw on another one. Dude, I'm scared. I don't think they're gonna fit. We're gonna have to wide body it, Mammy. We're gonna have to wide body it. See, ESRs are super light, like.
I can't pick that up.
You could probably pick it up. They're women friendly. They're girl friendly.
I've tried.
Hit the weight room, chump. Oh my God. I don't know if it's gonna fucking fit. I think
it's gonna rub.
No, we're on stock ride height. I don't think it's gonna rub. I'm scared.
I think it's gonna hit the fender.
No. I mean, when we put coils, we can add a little camber, which is fine, but I'm really scared. This gun looks tough. It doesn't do that much torque, guys. I know you guys are commenting. Drew, you're gonna ruin it. Nope, doesn't do that much torque. All right, moment of truth. I have very little faith.
Wait, let me see. Let me get a good angle.
Yeah, I get a good angle of this epic fail. I don't know. It's not bad. I don't know.
Ew.
It's definitely. It's. Yeah, I don't know. Like, it's by no means horrible, but by no means is it perfect. Now, we do have to like drive the car to get it to like rebalance. It's like suspension, but sticking out like a finger, like one finger. It's not horrible. I think it looks better than the stock wheels, but yeah, I don't know about that one. I don't know. I might have to shave off a little bit, sticking out a little. Let's finish it up though. Let's do the other side. What's the damage?
Well, it looked like something happened here.
Oh, dude, yeah, no, we gotta lower it. This is interesting. Yeah, we can't. I don't know. I fed you. What do you mean, are you getting paid for this? All right, guys. Well, the ride height is atrocious. Like, take a peek. It's bad. It's really bad. Obviously, that's not the wheel's fault. These wheels are slightly shorter in overall diameter. The 19s are 28, one second, I believe 25.8, and these are 25.3. So we're ½ inch shorter, which is fine, but the problem is it just, like with the stock ride height, it doesn't look good. So the wheels, I think the wheels look good. Mammy has mixed opinions. I think the wheels
I think they're ugly.
I think the wheels look good. I like them. I like the bronze. I like the silver. I think the design looks good. It has a little bit of a concave. I like it. I like the wheel. I just, I need to order coils or lowering springs. It needs to be dropped. Like, it looks like I have positive camber up front. That's just unacceptable. So, I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting them on, and then I'm gonna order up some coilovers the second I finish filming this video. But let's put on the rest of the wheels. All right, guys, so Mammy and I just got done talking, and we're gonna take these wheels off for now. We're gonna wait till we get some coilovers for the car. It just looks really bad because of the ride height. I like the wheels. I think they look good. I just need to lower the car. The car is way too tall for it, so we're gonna put back on the stock wheels. I think we're gonna go to a car meet later, so I guess let's just see what shitty builds are there. I don't know. It'll take my mind off of my shitty build at the moment that looks like garbage. We'll go see what other cars look like garbage, and it'll relieve my soul. Let's go. We're watching our park. We just pulled up. We were at another one, but it got raided, so we're pulling up to this one. We got the Subi and the Supra. Okay, gotta cruise with your gal in style. So we got JDM out tonight. You are as crooked as it comes. You're crooked.
That's acceptable. And
I mean, it's fine, and it's my car.
It takes 6 attempts to do that. We're getting places here.
Hey, Mammy, after driving the Accord for so long, how does your clutch leg hurt?
These fuckers are ghetto and they don't know how to drive, and they almost hit me. And I held my horn for like 10 seconds because they almost hit me.
Oh my god. Well, I didn't see it. No one was.
And then in the middle of the fucking road, everyone decided to fucking stop, and a car swerved to go to the side, and I had to fucking stomp on my brakes.
Only one person was brave enough to race us. It was a 350Z. Only street legal speeds though. Alright, we're gonna do a lap. We're gonna see what there is here, dude. This meet is packed. Like, packed to the brim. Cars are still pulling in and trying to find spots. People are parked on the sidewalk. We're gonna walk around and see what there is. We got a new 8.6 right here. I love the color. It's like a hyper blue, love it. But let's see what else there is. There's a pretty weird looking Lambo there. I don't know about all that. I don't know about all that. That's a little bit too much. What do you think about that, Eric?
I don't know about that.
I don't know about that one, man. You saw the camera, man. He just had to do it for the camera, but it didn't sound all that good. Nah, I don't know. They're seeing the camera and they're thinking that I'm trying to show up their car, man. No one wants to see the livery. What is that? Like a 06 Gallardo? Or is it newer? Nah, it's a newer one. I think it's Audi. It's after Audi. I don't know about it though. I mean, the Rev was sounded like it still had the warranty on it. So we're gonna walk around and see what there is. See more interesting cars than that, and I guess we'll just check them out. We got a C7. Sorry, I almost said C8. I disrespected him like that. I hear like it almost sounded like it had like a baby cam, but I don't think so. It sounds pretty stock. Got a Camaro. A man with some taste, the good old FZ09. Finally, some fucking class around here. I sadly sold mine, but yeah, there's some pretty good cars around here. That was the best thing we've seen so far, though. I do have to say that. We got a supercharged FRS. I mean, it's making a lot of noise. I don't know if it can do anything with it, but it's making a lot of noise. Why is the Civic making so much noise? What are we thinking? K-swap? J-swap? What are we thinking?
I think he's wishing for one.
It's on his Christmas list right there. It's a clean S14. I like it. I actually like it. Not bad. It's definitely better than what we've seen so far. 350Z. Oh god, the rally car's pulling up. Oh, is this the fake RS? Yeah, it is. It's a fake RS. God damn it. Fucking gotta love SoCal. Alright, we got a hood pop on an old Golf. We got, looking at intake. See intake, I see some intercooler piping and shit. See some silicone hoses, obviously. Looks like aftermarket coil packs. Yeah, definitely aftermarket coil packs up there. Damn, okay. Fuck, let's see what we got around it. The body's pretty good. Needs some paint on the roof, but that's okay. Got a weird looking exhaust. I don't know, I feel like it deserves a little bit better than that. But underneath the hood, it's definitely where it shines. It's got some money into it, so I like seeing that. I like seeing that a lot.
Hey, smell the fresh paint? Dude,
that's what that is?
Smell that? That's
I smell something. Where's it from?
I don't know. What are these cars?
Dude, something smells like fresh paint. Yeah, I thought so. Which car is it? I'm gonna start touching cars around here. No, I'm not. Don't ever do that, by the way. I think it's. I think that has a fresh paint job on it. One of these cars do. It smells like fresh ass paint. All right, we got a Nissan 300ZX with what looks like a Supra style wing. I don't think it is. Eric and I were looking at it, and he thinks it's just a style. It's not the actual Supra wing. To me, it looks like a fucking Supra wing. Like straight up, I think it's a Supra wing. Either way, you got a manual. You got the little T-top. Sadly, no turbos underneath the hood. Still pretty clean car. That Supra wing though, questionable. I kind of like it. Oh, I see what he's here for. They're all parked in the red. I'm wondering why this cop is here. You know, we're being pretty quiet, I think, at least. It's because they're all parked in the red. Maybe don't park in the red. What do you think, Mammy? You trying to go home?
I hate it here.
We got a C8 Corvette with Lambo doors. And then we got the Lambo with non-Lambo doors. It's a little bit ironic.